Welcome to the channel. This is a Subaru modification, 2015 WRX. Been waiting my whole life to get one, now I got one. And every little bit and piece fucking counts towards a finished product. So yeah, we've done some basics, but for the record, I got ADHD, so I fucking suck at remembering to video document every step. So what you're gonna get is a guide built by a regular guy for regular guys. Don't necessarily have access to every single tool that you need to, but you might have a pretty WRX. So yeah, hit the bam, subscribe button, like button. We'll go on an adventure together. Tell you what to do, what not to do. We'll get high, we'll cry, drink some beers, have a good time. See you guys later. And shit, you know, while we're at it, why don't we do our Perrin Shifter Bushing? Atta Perrin. You're probably also gonna want to make sure that you've got enough nourishment to really make sure that you make her through the day. Nectar of the gods it is. Alright, now for anybody who's not that familiar with cars, if you're ever got a big pool of water under your car in the summer and you think your radiator's blowing, it hasn't. It's just your AC getting rid of the condensation buildup and dripping it out underneath your car like that. So there it is. There is the shift cover, and you can kind of see behind it up in there is that bushing is going to go. So we just got to pop that bad boy off with a couple of 12 mils and get at it. Also, you want to be careful because you're going to smash the fuck out of your hands when these things come on this right here. So you're going to be torquing this way and your hand's going to go bang and smash into that. I've heard it before and I just did it, so careful. Alright, my apologies everybody, but I don't really have a cameraman. So trying to do the greasing of that bearing with both fingers and sliding it on and everything while holding the camera and not getting fucking grease lube all over everything was just too much. So I installed it and I'll just tell you about it, how it all went down. I'll tell you how it all went down, bruh. It was really easy and you won't have any problems. You take this and you can actually get some play with this. Like if you pull it this way, you can actually get a little bit of slack, and that's how you do all the stuff. You just do the old screwdriver directly into the center of the bushing and you just kind of rock it against the frame and the rubber will give way. It'll just pop right out there and the Perrin just slides in. So yeah, flange down, fit it onto the post first, get a little play as much as you can, slide it back over top, rub all your excess grease on it, and then put your washer and then get your cotter pin in there and then reattach your cover. It's really easy. Like the hardest thing is like if you don't put it on the post and you slide it into the housing here first, you'll try and get it back on the post and the angles just won't work and you'll be all frustrated. So do it on the post first, slide this thing on it and couple it up that way, you'll be all right. Slide the pin in, put your 12 mils back in, put your case cover back on, and yeah, Robert's your father's brother, mate. Alright, so just so I'm not under the car and I'm being articulate, you're gonna have your original bushing and there's gonna be a layer of rubber, and then right in the dead center will be your brass ring that fits on that post that's underneath there. So when you're trying to pull that off, you just unseat it from the post and you jam your screwdriver into the middle of it and just kind of pry like that, and it'll just pop out because the rubber will give. So that's what I was trying to explain underneath the car when I was like pointing and wiggling and nothing was happening, because it's hard to do shit underneath the car by yourself with fucking greasy ass hands, man. Anyhow, that's the Perrin Shifter Bushing replacement, and it feels good, shifts good. It's a little harder, a little janky, but once the shift stop gets in there, it should be awesome. Yeah, that's Jurassic Parked. I hope you kids had a kick-ass and super awesome day. I can't wait to get out and do some ripping around. Yeah, buddies.